Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that creates a dictionary with information about a person, name, age, and city, and prints each key value pair. We're declaring a dictionary called person. The name is John, the age is 30, and the city is Los Angeles. Then, in order to print each key value pair, we need a for loop. And we need two iterating variables, key and value, for each key and value in the person dictionary, and we use the items function with empty parentheses to iterate over the items of our dictionary one by one, and then we're going to print key and value in each iteration. So we see name John, age 30, and city Los Angeles. So in the first iteration, key equals name while value equals John. In the second iteration, key equals age, value equals 30. In the third iteration, key equals city, value equals Los Angeles. So in the first iteration, key equals name and value equals John. This is why when we are printing key and value, we see name John. Then in the second iteration, key equals age and value equals 30. This is why we see age 30. And in the third iteration, key equals city and value equals Los Angeles. This is why we see this part in the output. Thank you for watching.